Hey, it's Jen from Only One Carry On. So this video is a little bit of an afterthought. I had taken videos and still pictures of this room, probably just for my own memory, but realized there's probably people out there who are wondering what these rooms actually look like. For more information about this stay, check out the blog post in the description below. In the blog post, we go over how much the rooms cost, how much we redeemed the rooms for, what the value of those points are, and how much it would have cost to outright buy the points. These rooms are connected by an interior corridor. When you open the door, the King Superior room is on one side, and the St. Regis Suite is on the other side. Both of the rooms have their own individual doors and individual keys, but you can prop the doors open for easier going between the two rooms. The King Superior room had a living room with a desk underneath the TV, a door that led to the main bedroom, a couch that faces the TV, and a little mini bar that had a coffee maker and a fridge. The master bedroom had its own TV, lots of storage, a very comfortable bed, and then a full bath with a separate shower and tub and double sink vanity. The King Superior room also had a TV with a desk underneath it, a mini bar area with a coffee maker, the super comfortable bed, blackout curtains, and then the bathroom. The bathroom had a separate tub and shower, as well as the toilet was in its own little room, but it only had a single sink vanity. The St. Regis also had amenities for children, including a little activity kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit like and subscribe. Also check out the website where there are many more blog posts, as well as the information about this particular stay.